Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to add a public profile on the Snapchat. So how you can get it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and log into your account. On the left top, you will see profile icon, so you have to click on it. Now you are in your profile. After that, you have to click on the setting icon on the right top. Now you are in your settings, scroll up, and you have to make all these things. Everyone, use my Bitmoji avatar, my friends, send me notification, everyone, contact me, everyone, view my story, everyone, and one more thing, see me in quick ad, tick on this button, go back, and after that here you will get a button of the create public profile. So this is the way to get a public profile in 2023. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.